Thank you. My name is Teddy Urga. I just came from North Dakota. Would you tell me your name and explain why you are here?
Okay, I am T. Durbin. I live in Crookston, Minnesota. I just came here to honor the veterans that have fallen before us. My husband did serve 20 years in the National Guard, and I just love this area. My husband did not join me today, but he's still with me, and we have 2 children, but he served 20 years, and I just love this park. And this is what Memorial Day is all about, honoring the veterans, may it be Coast Guard, Air Force, Army, Navy. You know, we've got a lot of veteran friends, and we've stayed connected.
Mm-hmm. So could you show me your husband maybe in this picture?
Yep. This is my husband right here, Jeff Durbin. And this also is a tent mate of his, as well as this one. So, one of the tent mates, there was 13. One of them has committed suicide, I'm going to guess 5 years ago. So, him and his tent mates have reconnected.
Still now, which one is still now survived right now? They are living right now. Which one? From those 13, how many of them there?
They are all surviving.
Yes.
Yep, and they're Bismarck, Fargo, Crookston, my husband.
Okay.
The one that committed suicide was in Fargo.
Still they are living right now. They are connecting each other. They are asking each other. They are having together each other once a while.
Yep. Sad to say they reconnected, if you want to say, after their one tent mate committed suicide.
Mm-hmm.
So now they get together in the summer for camping, or in the summer or the winter ice fishing. So, and it's just a family, the wives, the children, to have that connection.
How do you feel? That your husband is serving kind of the great in American Army, or so. How do you see that one?
Well, it's a huge honor to be married to a veteran,
mm-hmm.
and it was very important for my husband to serve.
Mm-hmm.
And some people forget that Memorial is get together and be at the lake or camping or parties, but what it is all about is the veterans that have fallen before us,
mm-hmm.
that have served. And so to me, being married to a veteran is an honor.
Make you honor and also proud of you.
Proud, very,
exactly.
very proud. Yeah.
So can you walk a little bit and just explain? The American history.
We were actually here when they made this dedication. I want to say it was 2 years ago now, and this was filled with people.
Okay.
And they, revealed the wall, and yeah, it's just a humbling place to be at.
Mm-hmm. So what do you have a message for the young generations?
Young generation, I do believe people should still serve. I really do.
Mm-hmm.
And history, it's part of all of us. So study history. Ask questions, because once those people are gone, memories, yeah. So
thank you so much for giving those kind of historic.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice
I wish my husband would have came with today.
Oh, I'm very happy to see again. Maybe next year.
Yeah.
How old are he?
My husband is 58.
58.
Yep.
Wow, he's young.
Yep.
He's young. Yes.
Yep.
Oh wow, it's so nice.